Tangshala RBI ni Faiseng the Financial Literacy and Women's Empowerment na tiye kaisa tang batang na harjaka Pandaw manjaka hasni hasrefa Indroshana Dinalo Pandaw kok sanani thange hasni hasrefa Indroshana Dinalo Shaka Buri Rock no Shakangai Tlangnani bagai kabang nai kolmok rosagai tongo hane abni logi logi tebo Shaka Puilawo henke lunana ni bagai sungsalok lainani nango Fiaba tabok abahai sungsal rock noksaklia hane bo Shaka.
So where women are leading in such a way, sometimes they are competing with multinational companies also. For example, Lizard Popper is there. Lizard Popper is started by women enterprises and giving employments to thousands of women, and Lizard Popper is familiar. Now it can compete with any multinational company. And in the same way, here in Tripura also there are some special variety of artisan schemes. For example, bamboo products, particularly the bamboo roots specialization, it is only in Tripura. Like that, we can take it to further promotion to other areas also. Similarly, North Asian region also, tribal women creating wonders. So it is now opportunity to take the advantage of government schemes and supported by the banks, which is the schemes. Policy makers is the ultimately Reserve Bank. That's why Reserve Bank has taken up a number of programs, though it is not giving directly to the beneficiaries, but through the other banks, it is creating a atmosphere that you can have this scheme, particularly all these schemes, you can take advantage of that. Like that, by giving advertisement and taking classes everywhere, being it is in the schools, villages, colleges, that we have seen just now. In business, women enterprises have achieved great success, inspiring a new generation of women leaders. In social activism, women have led social movements and advocated for human rights, demonstrating their courage and conviction. Women have always played a vital role in continuing to shape the country's culture, economy, and society. Still, for working women, awareness about digital banking, online payments, and government subsidies significantly boost their economic participation. Moreover, financial literacy can open doors to formal banking systems, credit facilities, and digital marketplaces for women entrepreneurs, helping them expand their business beyond local markets. Here I would like to mention few words about the strength of our Indian women, as today's program is specially focused on women.
Razakor Agulinisimi Amit Nikok Tum Chinikorang.